Welcome to Spring Lib.
We want to construct a polynomial of least degree with real number coefficients such that there are zeros at -1, 3, and 2i, which means -2i must also be a zero. They come in pairs, conjugate pairs. It also must be true that f of 0 is 48. So let's take a look in factored form of what this polynomial could look like. If -1 is a zero, then x plus 1 is a factor. If 3 is a zero, then x minus 3 is a factor. If 2i is a zero, then x minus 2i is a factor. And if -2i is a zero, x plus 2i is a factor. Let's multiply these in pairs. You could FOIL this, but you distribute the x, you get x squared minus 3x plus x would be minus 2x plus -3, so minus 3. And then you'll have x squared plus 2ix minus 2ix cancels, minus 4i squared, but I squared is -1, so that becomes just plus 4. And now we can multiply this through. Starting with x squared, you get x to the 4th plus 4x squared. Then distribute the -2x, you get minus 2x cubed minus 8x. Then distribute the -3, you get -3x squared minus 12. Let's get this in descending order. So we have x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 1x squared minus 8x minus 12. But we want f of 0 to be 48 right now. F of 0 would be -12. So we have to think, well, what do we got to multiply -12 and every term by so that we get a 48 instead? Well, that'd be 48 divided by -12, which is -4. So you're going to scale the whole thing by -4 for your polynomial. So that would be -4x to the 4th plus 8x cubed minus 4x squared plus 32x plus 48.